Welcome to CopyRack. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make deposit in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, log into your account with your registered email address and password. Next, on the bottom left, navigate to the Deposit Now tab. Here you'll find a selection of the most popular cryptocurrencies available for deposit, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDC, and Tether. Now let's say you want to deposit via Bitcoin. Choose the trading account in which you want to deposit the funds. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and click on Submit. You will receive a wallet address. Copy this address and proceed with the transfer of funds from any crypto exchange. Once the funds are received, they will be automatically credited to your trading account. You can then check the Transaction History tab to confirm the credit. To get started, the minimum deposit is $100. Plus, grab our 100% bonus offer. If you deposit $100 in your account, you can get an extra $100 to boost your trading power. If you have any questions, you can reach our support team over live chat. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. May your investments thrive with CopyRack.